Meaning of developing.
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 Developing. Developing refers to the process of using resources, knowledge and technology to improve a particular area or situation. The end result of developing will vary depending on the context, but generally it should involve some form of progress, growth, or improvement. This could mean anything from improving infrastructure in a region, to refining a product or service, to enhancing a particular skill or ability. Ultimately, the goal of developing is to create positive change and increase the effectiveness, efficiency, or quality of something.